Hi everybody and welcome back. Today we're making bang bang chicken. We saw this recipe for salmon, but we don't eat salmon in this household, so we decided to use diced up chicken and make this recipe instead. It's a lot of seasonings, so go ahead and add in your chili powder, your curry powder, your smoked paprika. You're gonna add in onion powder, garlic salt, Cajun seasoning, and pepper, and then go ahead and mix all those seasonings in with the chicken. I don't measure it out, the seasoning. I just do it per like how much I know I'm gonna like. And then go ahead and add in some cornstarch. It's gonna just add a little layer to crisp up the chicken. So I did like 3 spoons and mix it all in really well. Let it sit for about 10 minutes to get to room temperature. And then in a skillet, use whatever oil you want. Heat it up, heat your skillet up, and add the chicken in. And while that's cooking, we're gonna add the spicy mayo sauce. So get some mayonnaise. You're gonna want to get some sriracha sauce, and then you're gonna add just a dash of water as well, and mix that all together to get like a creamy texture. And then when you're done mixing that in, you're gonna want to add some onion powder, and then you're gonna add a Cajun seasoning back into this as well. Mix it back in, and then put it in the fridge. Here's the chicken's done. You can see that that cornstarch added a little bit crisp to it, which is what we want. So go ahead and add that to your rice and then put the sauce on it like this as well. And that is it. Pretty easy, but make sure to please like, subscribe, comment, let me know what I should cook next.